Yo, 𝐷𝐸𝐿𝐴 over here, and this right here is Land Rover Discovery Sport. Lowest mileage in the market, lowest depreciation in the market, and fully serviced and maintained at the official dealer. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beauty. Wow, guys. Land Rover Discovery Sport is one of my favorite SUVs to drive. It's such a pleasurable car to be behind the wheel. And this unit condition is truly immaculate. Super underutilized for its age. Look, the paintwork is simply flawless and the whole look of the car is very nice. Beautiful white color with blacked out roof. Very nice. We have a black spoiler also, black window trim. And from behind, it looks just as sexy. Now let's check out on the inside. Of course, we have fully electric tailgate, and this car is a 7-seater. You can see I deployed the seats for you to see. I mean, they are small, but they can be utilized. Even a adult like me can fit. They even come with their own cup holders. But when you put it down, the boot space is simply massive. Very nice, very useful SUV. Now behind, super mega spacious for a rear passenger, leather in fantastic condition. We have rear passenger aircon, we have charging ports. We even have hooks for you to hang your things if you need to. Guys, have another look. And now let's go in. All right, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very nice and spacious cabin. First things first, we have multifunctional steering wheel, which is full leather underneath this cover. Very nice to hold. Fully digital speedometer cluster. Comes with inbuilt navigation and super low mileage, as you see, 36,000 plus. So little for a car of this age. We have your digital infotainment screen. Of course, it's touchscreen, comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and all that. And we even have, check this out, 360 view. Very useful when you want to park your SUV. Your aircon controls are here, simple and intuitive. I really like the inbuilt display in the turning knob. Very cool, very useful. Your traditional gear selector, previous model of Land Rover came with the turning knob. They went back to traditional. This is a facelifted model powered by a mild hybrid engine as well. I really love all this leather on the panel, and the stitching makes the car very premium. Of course, we have cup holders for convenience. This is comfortable for your elbow. Both seats are fully electric, and driver's side even comes with memory settings as well. And as always, very useful in Singapore, a place to store your sunglasses. Have another look. All right, on COE we still got 5 years and 2 months left. Plenty of time for you to enjoy this beautiful vehicle. Okay guys, I will say this again. Land Rover Discovery Sport is such a pleasure to drive. All-wheel drive powertrain, you definitely feel the power. Sitting position is very comfortable, and the way it moves, you really gotta try it to understand, alright? Viewing available daily in our showroom, and you all know what to do. Call me, and I'll give you a good deal.